these two here are so you can basically you can see the quadrants and the vector to the object while in editor mode, or while in scene view when it's playing. The radius can be adjusted. For now, I'll just put everything. Tag filter can be used to exclude certain objects from the radar. Right now, this guy has a tag and he's on the sphere layer. So we can say, we'll just include everything for now. Okay, so as you can see, right now, so the forward vector basically determines which quadrant this guy is in. So right now he's in quadrant 0, and then 1, 2, 3, and you can also change the number of quadrants, although if you do change the number of quadrants, you should probably you should not do that during runtime, because right now that will actually mess up the algorithm that determines which quadrant it's in. So 0, quadrant 0, now it's in quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Now we can exclude certain objects. So you can see that you can exclude certain objects. So when you're using this, you should normally, so this is the collider of the excluded object. So normally you would include the collider of the object that's firing the radar. If you don't, then that actually adds extra processing. So I would drag your collider into this excluded objects thing, because when this quadrant radar fires, it actually will pick up your object that's firing the radar. So you should, if you need to exclude it, then just drag that in there. If you exclude, so if you were to drag this guy in there, now what will happen is now it doesn't detect it. But if we were to get rid of this, and then, so if we were to get rid of this, now the radius can be reduced. You can reduce it by however much you want. Now it can't see it, but boom, boom. You can see that it is working.